Hello everyone, welcome to Content Nepal YouTube channel. On this new episode, we are going to learn how we can randomly select a member from the given household members, I mean, for example, if there are 5 household members in a household and your objective is to randomly select one member out of them, and you're gonna ask further questions about the household informations with the randomly selected member. For this, I already have developed a sample program. As always, these two variables are by default stat auto capture the start time and date, and end auto capture the end date and time of the survey. For this, I am just gonna add a question about the household member, integer, and its name is called like total underscore member, and question going to be how many members in your household. So we are going to capture each and every members of the households, and we need to create a roster. So begin, repeat, family member, and that's is like first one is text and name, and this is for the name, and second one is integer. We're gonna capture the age of the member, and another one is age, and we're gonna end repeat, and for the randomization purpose, insert a variable called calculate rand member, give a logic in the calculation column if if age, I mean like this one, is less than or greater than or equal to 18, and is less than 100, then carry out the name of the respondent, if you look at this logic, this means we are going to randomize the respondent of age between 18 and less than 100. If there are the household member who are less than the 18 years old, they are excluded from the randomization process. we also need to enter another calculate variable, and we are going to concatenate all of the eligible members name in this row, and join logic is join given a space and comma, and from the random member. You can see the questions that are captured in the calculate function in the program. So if you want to display these variables that are captured in the calculate function, then you need to display on the note name display and all eligible members that are stored in the all name variable, all name variable. Now another logic also need to store in the calculate, and this is for random number. This calculate gonna store a randomly selected persons that are eligible in the household, So another logic is selected at all name, that we have stored the name of the eligible members in the household. All name integer random and into, that means like star count selected that are stored in all name, on this calculate function. All name and another function is called node, and display the randomly selected name, random name randomly selected person are equal to, that is stored in the random insert another logic and give total member. Let's save this program and deploy it in the Kobo. New upload XLS form. I'm gonna drag down and upload this file on the Kobotoolbox. You can select any one. I'm gonna select my country name Nepal, and create project and deploy. Okay, so it's successfully deployed, and let's open and look at whether our logic going to work or not. And let's suppose like there are 6 members in the household, so it's gonna repeat 6 times, 1 and 6. Household member name starting from the oldest. For example, Rudra is 45. Another one is Gita is 40. Another one is Radha is 30. So another one is Dogen is 23. Another one is Surin is 15. So Surin is not eligible member for the randomization, since we have a logic only randomize if the respondent age is between 18 and 100, so this one is not eligible member of the household that we are excluded from the randomization, and last one is Nisham and his age is 2. So out of 6 we have 4 eligible members for the randomization, First one is Rudra, Gita, Radha and Dogen. So out of these 4 eligible members, randomly selected person is Rudra, So stay tuned with this channel for the upcoming interesting videos. Goodbye.